Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So I'm going to be making a quick and easy steak and egg dinner. I'm not making a side with this because the sauce clearly is about to be heavy. The steak, is fatty. So I'm probably just going to eat it with some cucumber or something. Plus I'm lazy. So let's get started. My steak over here, it's already seasoned, is a ribeye. I have a grilled steak and burger seasoning from Keith Lawrence. So that's what I seasoned it with. You can see it's really pretty. There's nothing else on there. All it is the grill and steak seasoning. Now for the sauce, in this pot here, I have coconut milk. This is the one that I use. Do not use the one from the box because it's different. Use the canned coconut milk. To this, I'm going to add some, oh no, I can't put the pesto in. The pesto we're going to add last minute because you don't really want to cook that down. I'm going to add some coconut oil down in here. You can add butter for sure, but... Alright guys, so my coconut milk simmered. Now you're going to add your pesto. That's good. Keep in 2 tablespoons of pesto. You can make it from scratch if you prefer. I have the jarred, so that's what I'm using. Mix it up and remember to taste it for salt and pepper. My steak. Alright guys, so I decided to drop a bouillon cube down in here because I wanted more flavor. So again, just adjust the sauce to what you prefer and work it out. But all my ingredient measurements and what I have in my sauce, and also we're going to make some tea, will be in my description box. Alright, so my steak is over there resting and chilling. This is my English cucumber over here that I'm going to chop up and just maybe sprinkle some lemon juice on there or something. And in this cup right here, I have 2 Lipton green tea tea bags. I only have 2 down in there. I'm not making a lot at all. This flavor is the orange passion fruit jasmine. I also have some leftover strawberry syrup in my freezer, and I'm going to be adding it to this, and that's it. See? And then you could sweeten it up however you want to. I'm not putting sugar in the actual tea part because, like I said, I'm going to be using some strawberry syrup at the end. And that will also be in my description box how to make that from scratch. Alright, so this is my sunny side egg. It's almost done. And after this is done, I'm going to plate everything up and let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, so I poured my tea down into my cup. Now I'm going to take my strawberry syrup and pour it down in here. Yum. Oh. This is exactly why I didn't want to add any sugar, because I was about a 1/4 cup of strawberry syrup that I made with fresh strawberries. So, yep, and that's my drink. Yep. Alright, so this is my steak. I'm just going to take my coconut pesto sauce and go over it like this. Obviously, I should have used a bigger spoon. Obviously. But this is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm really shocked about this sauce. I'm going to have to work on it to see what else I can come up with. I didn't expect it to thicken up like this. Yes, I know it's coconut milk from the can. I know. But I know what I'm saying. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm really impressed by it. So I'm going to work on this and see what else I could come up with. But let me put my egg on top so we can wrap this up. So this is what it looks like with the egg on top. I don't have a garnish. But I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time on my next video, which will be in a little while. If you follow me on social media, you'll know what's going on, especially on my Snapchat. Follow me on Snapchat, Mesha's Corner, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.